Hello guys, welcome back to our AI agents tutorial. In this video, we will continue to build our customer support automation workflow. So here we have in front of our canvas a Google trigger node, a text classifier, our model that is open router chat model, and do operation do nothing. So our purpose here is to import the Gmails and classify them into the ones related to customer support and the ones that's not about customer support. So the ones related to customer support will go into the agent that we are adding right now. We will add this AI agent node, but for that we gotta make sure that the prompt the AI agent is receiving is accurate. We'll have to change it to expression so that we can map the correct variable into this prompt expression. So the whatever this AI agent is receiving is mapped by JSON.snippet that's coming from the previous node. To better let the AI agent know about the customized instructions, we so this is a prompt that I copied from ChatGPT, and these prompts help the AI agent to know exactly what it's supposed to do, the instructions, the role that it has to play, and the tonality of the answers that it should be generating. So the system message is all set. Let's try executing the node. But before that, we always have to add the brain of the AI agent. That is an LLM model. In this case, it's the OpenAI GPT model. And here we have our agent and the chat model. But we also need to add a tool, which is gonna be the Pinecone vector store. Because of course, the AI agent has to know about the background details of our company, like our regulation, our policies, etc. So the Pinecone index that we have chosen here is demo 5. Like you know, we can have multiple Pinecone indexes and multiple Pinecone namespaces as well. So to let the AI agent know which exactly to refer to, we need to mention here the Pinecone space, that is the company policy. Let's give it a description for that so that it improves its performance. So call this tool to access the policies and regulations of the company. And this way, it knows exactly why it has to access the Pinecone vector store. Now the Pinecone vector store itself also needs the embeddings of OpenAI to divide its content. Now we are just checking whether it's working perfectly or not. It seems to be working as expected. So this is the message that we got from the AI agent. It says that hello, thank you for reaching out to us. At Tech Heaven Solutions, we prioritize providing excellent customer support and has established some key policies. So, like you can see, it's fetching the details as expected from the Pinecone vector store and behaving exactly what the prompt wants. Here, I made a mistake of writing Tech Heaven instead of Lucent Works solution, when in fact it's the Lucent Works in the document and not Tech Heaven. Just make sure that the credentials match exactly as intended, and the names, the figures do not go here and there. So we need to add another node to the AI agent that is a Gmail node so that it's capable of replying back to the message that it has gotten from the previous node. So without this Gmail node, it would make no sense. So just to try out whether it's working correctly or not, we will test a sample. So the output provided by the AI agent will be mapped on the subject as well as the message. The subject should not be there though, because we do not want the whole content in the subject field, and the to variable is always mapped from here, because every time the person receiving the message will be different, hence it's going to be a variable. Now the operation has to be send, because we want to send the output to the intended receiver, that is, I mean, reply. Let's execute the step, and the node executed successfully. Let's see if we have any email received over here. If we have, it's working perfectly. So it looks like we have received an email and it shows hello there, thank you for reaching out, and everything seems to be perfectly fine. So that's it for this videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed making this really robust customer support automation workflow, and hope you'll be using it in your future workflows as well. Till then, stay tuned. We will meet in the next video.